Nakita namin yung anong situation, no? Walang clean water, which is one of the causes ng malnutrition. Had we not visited these areas, hindi namin alam na meron palang ganito, no? Sobrang nag-emotional ako ng konti when I saw the real-life condition ng ating mga beneficiaries.
Talagang nagulat ako, yung buhay nila napakahirap. Yung bahay nila talagang ang liit, wala silang kama o natutulog sila sa sahig. Nakita ko na talagang mahirap. Tapos ang kinakain nila,
Kung ano lang.
kung anong makita nila, kung ano nung darating, ganun lang.
During the household visit, we saw that there are still families that don't have easy access to water supply. Since siguro yung nag-stick, we really should continue this program with World Vision so that we can reach out to more people.
Napaka-importante magkaroon ng ganitong education sa isang community about the importance of proper nutrition kasi beyond kasi yung mental ability ng bata. Importante rin kasi yung physical. Dati, yung mga children, they are under weight tapos nang sumali sila dun sa program, nag-improve. And nakakatuwa yun, nakakatuwa.
Na-appreciate ko rin yung ginagawa ng mga volunteers for the community. It's one thing na you just give donations, pero it's really a different thing na ma-experience mo yung mga challenges na experience ng mga volunteers and ng community.
I think donors like us can make a difference by starting to sponsor more children, and there are also other programs that they can be involved with, going to the communities and supporting the programs such as the Bawat Bata Pinoy Malusog.
Nag-immersion kami ng ganito, pumutanta kami sa lugar, ganun. Alam, makita ng mga kaibigan namin ng ganun para makayakayat pa kami ng mas marami.
So if they're looking for a way to give back, this is a very good way to do that. Show them that, hey, World Vision is doing this. You can also join.